Hi everyone, welcome to zine making. Today we are going to learn about how to make a zine. But what is a zine? Zine is a book which emphasizes of a small magazine or which is made digitally. Now, apps we need to make a zine is Canva. If you use Canva, it will be more easier for you to make it more attractive and to download it. Second thing is Heyzine. Heyzine is a website which help us to make a PDF into a flipbook or a zine. Now step 1 is to make your own PDF or any kind of source which is applicable for the website. This means that we have to make our own PDF and then which is applicable for the website. For example, you can use Canva, Documents, Word and other type of apps. Now second is open your Heyzine website from Google. Now step 3 is upload your file on that website. Now step 4 is you also have option for customization. For example, to add background in it or to make a border and other. And you are ready with your digital flipbook. And some note or remember that if you are trying it for first time, you need to sign up or log in it for the website. Now second to remember is first 5 times you are free to use that website. Means आपको पहली 5 बार आपको वो फ्री यूज़ करने मिलेगा और जब आप 6th टाइम उसको अपलोड करोगे आपको उसके कुछ पैसे भरने होंगे. और थर्ड इज़ योर PDF नीड्स टू बी इन अ स्टैंडर्ड टाइप. योर PDF नीड्स टू बी इन अ स्टैंडर्ड टाइप विच मीन्स दैट आपका PDF जो है वो एक स्टैंडर्ड टाइप में होना चाहिए. अगर आप इसे कैनवा का यूज़ करके बनाते हो तो वहाँ पर ऑटोमेटिकली स्टैंडर्ड टाइप आ जाता है. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ डू लाइक, subscribe and share. Till then, bye. See you in the next video.